Hello. Today I wanted to talk about how we could extract the data from SSURGO from like the soil survey that is provided by USDA and join it to your polygon. Well, I mean, for sure, if you want to do that, and if you do the Google, if you ask the AI or if you Google it, would tell you just using a special join, but because of the way that the data is, it would crash and it wouldn't work. So we need to, first of all, like any of the data that here, for example, I have added already some data like soil texture and the percent of the silt or something like that, and I'm going to add more. Join You have to join this to the polygon that is the main polygon that is provided by the like from the portal of the Sorgo, and then I would tell you what would be the process after that. And now I just try to do at the scale of the state. So you could do that at the scale of the United States, like entire of the United States, and also the county in the states. So here is the list of the data I have already downloaded and is in my catalog, and I'm going to add it here. One of them is the available water content, and I would add it to the map. I wanted to make sure that is added to map one. Yes. This one, and like it's just different water content and that I haven't added to map one. Water table, electronic conductivity, the group that they have it for the hydrology group or clustering that they had. I have organic matter in the soil, organic matter in the subsoil, percentage of the sand added to the map, percentage of the silt, which is I already added, texture of the soil I have added, and also I have added that one. So I would just check to get sure I have everything's here. So first of all, I have to join it to the main polygon that is provided by the dataset. I would go to join, and then I would choose what I wanted to add here. So you could choose like several of the file that you wanted to add. If I'm not wrong, we will see. Then we could choose. So yeah, I'm not sure we could add more than one. Okay, we'll try. And so this should be just the main polygon, mu k, it should be this one. For the joining field would be still the same. And I wanted to add the texture already added, silt as added. Now I wanted to add the percentage of the, yeah, unfortunately you have to do it one by one. And there is no way that you could add more like and one. And we should find. So I would add others also. And then, just I wanted to show you when you added, it should show you the data. I have added the percentage of the, I think it was the percentage of the sand here you can see added. So I would try to add the others, and then I will, so I stop the video here. I would add all of the data, and then I will show you, and then after that I will tell you how you can join the data to your uh, shapefile. So I would pause the So I have added all of the tables to the it's already is open here, to the main polygon that is provided by the data set of from the USDA. And you can see some of them like the soil texture and also the available water content and so on, but not really in the right order. I'm not sure, we could probably change the order to put all together. I'm not going to do that. So after you did that, we have to extract the data, just the fields that we need. So we would right click on the polygon, data, export features, and then you would selected which features you wanted to, which field of that features you wanted to export it. So we would click on the fields, and then we could just delete the file, the field that we don't want to keep. So I wanted to keep the texture of the surface and not the PCT, just the main data. And I'm not sure really what is that, but yeah. So then the next one is just percentage of the silt. Then also the water content at the third bar. Potential metric, I would keep that one too. Get rid of this one. Then get rid of that percent of the sand. Then available water that we have. Then I'm not sure what was that available water content. Oh, that's the entire of the profile of the soil. That one is just 0 to 100 centimeters. We don't need that. I probably should pause it and just keep and then come back, but I think we are kind of close. And also, it would help you to make sure you have added all of the file, all of the tables that you already downloaded. We don't need that. We don't need that. Water table. Should have a few to add. Electronic conductivity and hydrology, grouping or clustering, organic matter, and the depths of 0 to 100 centimeters. We don't need the and organic matter of the subsoil. Oh, sorry, I delete some data, I think. Yeah. And we don't need that. So let's just see. I can check here. So the texture, I don't need this one also. I don't need this one. So I have the texture, I have the percentage of the silt, I have the percentage of the sand, I have the I have the third water content potential metric. I have the available water content. I have the available water content entire of the field. I have the available water like for the 150 potential metric percent of the clay, depths of the water level, EC. I got rid of the hydraulic group that I'm going to add it. The organic matter of, yeah, I have the sand percent, and so I just removed I have the organic subsoil, but the two file that I still need to add it was like the organic matter of the 100 0 to 100 centimeter, which should be somewhere here. Let's see. I would need that one also. The organic matter of what is the data should be. And also we should add the objective thing. So let's see. They added, we'll see. So if you, in case you remove some of them that you wanted still to have it, so still you have the option that you can add it. So I don't know what happened. Simple data is just jumped. Wait, I will pause to figure out what's going on, and I will come back. Okay, I have just keep the files I needed, and then I would click OK. And I mean, I can put a better name for it, like all features. Don't click OK. So I would check to see all of the data has been added. Seems like that. Yeah. So now is time to add the data to your I mean, here I wanted to add to my own like polygon or features that I have. So click tools, a special join, click on that, and then so we wanted to add it to our fields, so like to our data. So the target would be the one that you wanted to data get be added. Here is my polygon, and I wanted to join it through that one. So then we have to add the name of the, I wish it doesn't show the, yeah, it doesn't show. So then you have to kind of copy and paste. So you can just have open that file and then right click on one of your field. If you click fields, then you can just copy and paste it, the fields that you wanted to add. Again, from the same file, I wanted to add another field. So I would add that one, and then I will come back when I finish this part. I got to add all of the features I wanted to add. Then you don't need to change anything else. I mean, you can accept the others as a default and click run. Just make sure you don't have the same name, then I would do all, then I get sure that I have in different names, then it would not get confusing. If you try, I mean, I think I showed that if you try the other way, and like straightforward from the one that you have added to the main polygon, then it would crash, it wouldn't run and add all of the features. So we needed to extract it, all of the fields we wanted, and then use the special join to add the data. So you can see right now it's taking time because almost I'm adding 10 fields. I would pause till it finish, and then I will show you the final result. Yeah, it didn't take so much time, less than 1 minute, and it seems the data has been added. So I would just open the table, I mean the attribute table of the file to show you the data. As you can see, I can see the polygon. I had 248 polygon, and also it showed the data had been added to this file. So like the soil texture, the silt, percent of the silt, water content at like, which is like field capacity, probably should be usually. That's the way, the percent of the organic matters, and yeah, and others. Like here, the water table, so some of the places doesn't have any water table, so it's like non-value. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will put the description of the how you first download this data and then add it to your polygon. Please, if you have any question, put it in the comment. I would try to get to answer, and I would appreciate it if you subscribe my channel and also like the video if it was useful for you.